What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So if I can find it, I'm gonna show y'all an old clip of how I rigged up my AC to work on my C7, but finally that didn't work anymore. We had to change out the pigtail and stuff, so we're gonna get right into this video right after this intro. Peace.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Hope y'all can see. I'm using my GoPro. See, I just heard it try to come on. So I don't know, maybe it's a short somewhere or something. So I don't know. We'll see. That's the blower right there. Something wrong right here. Give me 1 second. Ain't that much room in here. See it try to come on. Maybe we need to bend those. Look like that one. One of the connections got hot. I don't know why, but you can see it on the side. So I think the blower is good. So what I'm gonna try to do, I don't know, maybe bend that a little bit and get a better connection. Maybe it wasn't in there all the way. I don't know. It's in there. Yeah. Got a bad connection. I'm gonna turn y'all off for a second. I gotta try to find something to bend that. Guys, we'll see if that It's on. It's on. Still a little short, so what we can do temporarily alright, so what we can do temporarily till we get a new connection, can run a zip tie from here to over here and see if she'll stay running. I'll be right back. 2 zip ties together. Alright guys, so let's get over here to the car. Big orange right there, orange crush. Got the Escalade, got brother boy. Anyway, so look, we changed out that pigtail and the fuse. The fuse is bad also, but that was because the pigtail was burnt up. Where's that pigtail at? I was gonna show y'all how it was burnt up, but yeah, you could see it was like melted. So anyways, we got the new pigtail on. So all you do, put your 3 screws back on, then put your cover back on. I think I'm gonna have to unplug it. I was just testing it. So unplug that bad boy. Set that thing right there. And I've heard a lot of people having trouble with these ACs on here. I don't know what the deal is. I don't know what made that pigtail go bad, but it doesn't have to be some other people have trouble with it and they want to sell it like that. Excuse my car, it's a little dirty. I got my big camera right now, so my head probably gonna be in the way. Y'all probably don't even need to see this part. If you made it this far, all you do is go back in with it how you came out. It's just 3 screws. So go and get it up in there. I'm trying to remember which way the thing was facing. I think this was facing this way though. Yeah, because I was unplugging it on this side. Yeah, I can't see nothing. There we go. And then it was facing this way. And she don't want to cooperate. What the heck? Alright guys, I'm gonna have to, I gotta get a light and then I'll show y'all. I'll put the camera down there and show y'all real quick. See y'all in a minute. I'll tell you what guys, ain't no way I was gonna be able to record and get them 3 little screws in there, but I got them. That back one's gonna give you a little trouble. I used a, where's it at? I just used a swivel. Here it is. A swivel and a 7/32, and then like a little adapter so I could get it in there. But man, it was pretty rough. So you can zip tie the wires up, whatever you want to do. That cover's gonna cover them. So slide that cover back in there, and we're gonna fire it up. I done had this out so long, I don't even remember how it goes. Oh, there go the hole right there. Everything good. Put y'all back down. Step up. Put this in that hole in the back. Right there. Yeah, it's a little plastic tab in the back. You gotta get that in the hole first. And then slide it on up. There we go. Now we lined up. Now I can hook my neon lights back up and all that good stuff. Everything's good. Let me clean it up. Alright, we're gonna turn it on one more time. Let's see. It's been too hot. Super hot, guys. Yeah, it's been way too hot. Alright, let's see. Hang on, 80. Man, I've been going without AC for a while, so I really don't drive this car. Golly. Great. Well, thank you guys for watching. See y'all in the next video. Peace.